Hi, I am Bikram Chaudhary, the technical advisor of Regasio Service and our website rankingoogle.com. Anyway, I am here to provide you few notes about Google Penguin 2.0 update released on May 22nd, 2013, this month. It is a major update by Google, and in April 2012, the first release of Penguin was publicly announced by Google, Matt Cutts. Anyway, here some recovery tips on Google Penguin 2.0 and what it targets. Though it is about Google Penguin, but I want to say something on Google Panda. What Google Panda does: Google Panda detects the duplicate contents in the websites. Duplicate content means if 2 or 3 pages have the same content or almost same, something different, or duplicate content among different domains, different domain web pages, etc. And it also detects the thin content. If you have many web pages about very little content, just like contact us, or contact us is somewhere different, but just many websites make some pages almost having no content, that is about thin content. And another is span content means there is lot of websites, just to make some contents, they twist some words in the articles and publish it as new article in the same site or in different websites in different domains. That is called span content. Next, what Google Penguin does. Though Penguin is a separate algorithm not related to directly to Panda, but it has detected some major problems in the sites, and so they detect in that way they convert the ranking ups and downs, etc. in Google. What it does: every domain or websites have some anchor text in the backlinks, so they detect the anchor text whether they are almost same in the different domains for our web page. That say you make the anchor text as Pizza Hut in lots of backlinks in different websites, then it is tracked by Google Penguin that you are manipulating to get ranks in Pizza Hut on the keyword Pizza Hut, mind it. So don't use the same anchor text in all the backlinks. Also, what Google Penguin does, it checks the whole backlink profile in the backlink list or the backlink pattern of websites backlinks. Google Penguin checks it. That is, say you are getting backlinks from, say, all backlinks from a forum or some kind of forums, and you don't have versatility. That is, you don't have links from blogs, you don't have links from Wikipedia, you don't have links some social sites like Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and you need to make the backlinks in a versatile way. Set links from video sites, links from forums, links from blogs, links from social sites, distributed pattern. That is the backlink profile is called. It checks the backlink profile, and if they detects that you are getting backlinks from a particular type of sites, then you will be penalized by Google Penguin. Penalized means you will not lose ranks, but totally, but your rank will be down. Say you can go down few pages, etc. That is the link pattern, also called the link wheel in some cases. And Penguin mostly targeted the advertorials, the advertising sites, and because Google mainly targeted them. Also the link selling sites like text link ads, etc. Google targeted by Penguin update for thousands of these sites. first, so if you want to survive, you have to earn recognition, you have to make branding. I've made a slide here on branding, but earn recognition means you have to put your site in as a reputed website to Google. That is recognition. So you have to write lots of blogs on your niche, and on your content, on your topic, on your business, lots of opinions in discussion forums. You have to gain reputation also in Google Plus, I should say. Go social, make your article or content or web page available via Facebook, Google Plus, tweets, etc., and so that people retweet or make +1 button or Facebook share, etc., for your website. That will make your site visible, more visible in Google ranking. Now implement content marketing. This is most important thing right now. You have to build content, I mean good content in your website, and you have to write articles, guest blogging in other different websites, third party sites, I mean on your niche. And you have to make some good discussions, good some good content, and some potential content, not only good, and you can link from those websites if they provide to your own site. Also get backlinks from related websites like related forum, blogs, but in a circular, versatile way, not only from only one or two sites. Don't target only money keywords. Money keywords means the major high competitive keywords, which most of people searches, but they're very tough to get rank. Better target long tail keywords, some long 4-5 word keywords. You can achieve them, and for this you need to write some good content in your website on your business. And also constantly update your keyword research. Choose good keywords on your topics. Go for low competitive keywords mainly. And branding, in the backlinks please type your brand, say Pizza Hut by some.com, and keep watching. We are constantly writing and presenting slides constantly on Google Penguin, Panda, and some other algorithm updates, also on social topics. I am Bikram here. Don't forget to visit our website rankinggold.com. Thank you.